Good morning. We're getting ready to head out on a camping trip to Pinery Canyon in the Chiricahua Mountains. What is that? South of Willcox, Arizona. So close to where we saw Fort Bowie, but sort of in a different little bit direction. So south of Fort Bowie, so further down, but a whole different day. See this truck in the rearview mirror? Lacey is just enthralled with it.
It's beautiful. Chrome and a beautiful royal blue, and it's a Kenworth.
Oh man, he's out of the view now.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I thought he was passing you.
No, he's getting behind me now.
Oh, okay. There's a train over here for Haley and Steve. We appreciate you guys watching our videos.
We love you.
Check it out, the boys are all curled up on my lap. So we're coming up on the view there of the Chiricahua Mountains, and Lacey's pointing out the duck clips on the top of that mountain. How closer to those duck clips on the top of the mountain.
Quack,
I wonder what the real name of it is. I'm sure they've got something beak or whatever, you know.
Yeah, I don't know.
Some fall colors showing up in here.
Woo! So pretty.
It's nice to see the trees and the greenery, even if the greenery is turning yellow. Check out this tree that's dead right in front of us.
That thing is awesome.
Man, isn't that just crazy looking? I love it.
That'd be cool to take home and make it into something.
Yeah. I was thinking like people make bonsai trees, trying to make them like that. Our favorite spot that we've took a couple day trips to has just snuck up on us. So here's the little water on there.
Is that the place?
Yeah, turn left. Right up in here.
Oh, there's the thing. Yeah, that was okay.
So Lacey just walked over here and she found the...
You threw that, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I was like, there's crap falling out of the trees.
She found this little... Here's the fire pit, and somebody has taken the time to lay out a bunch of rocks here for us to, you know, like have our little area in front of. Pretty cool.
Slab of concrete too. Or concrete. I said it backwards. I said it backwards. Concrete slab.
Yeah.
Not a slab concrete.
Oh, what was that for?
I don't know. But what's weird too is that there's a lot of trees right there. So I wonder if there's like some kind of water under it, or maybe. I don't know.
Here's a little pan around view of the campsite we've picked for the day. Like I said, we've done a couple day trips here before, and we've really enjoyed this spot. So we were hoping it was going to be open. There's all of our camping gear.
I don't understand
Now
how
it's
that
going
thing
to
does not go
explode
up
out of the car. Spoiling ourselves on this camping trip, we got a squatty potty.
A luggable loo.
A luggable loo. Ethan's over here. He's decided to take all the pine needles and use them as a cushion for underneath the tent. We're going to put a tarp over that and then put the tent down, so we'll see how he enjoys that. So, we went to the Walmart and bought a new tent. It's a Ozark Trail instant tent, 4-person. We've never tried an instant tent before. It was about 50 bucks. So we're gonna check it out. That's what we bought, and we're gonna try to put it together and see how instant it really is. Overall, setting it up, what would you say?
It was pretty easy once you figure out how to
Extend the arms.
Once you figure out what they meant?
Yeah.
Thumbs up.
Cool.
We also got a hammock.
Our first hammock. I'm so excited.
Okay, check it out. Lacey's gonna try the hammock now.
Don't laugh if I fall.
I might.
Then you better help me up after that. Oh my lord. Oh, that's nice.
That's nice, huh?
Okay, you guys have fun. Good night. Yeah, that's really nice. I think I just found my little slice of heaven.
We definitely need some hammocks, huh?
Yeah.
Well, that was only like 20 bucks.
Yeah.
Huh?
And
Sweet.
it came with the rope to hang it, which is nice.
Bean
Yeah.
had to hop up with Mama and enjoy the hammock. I don't think we're going to get anything else out of Lacey this rest of this weekend. She's stuck.
See ya! This is where I'll be. Just give me a book.
You can check it out, the hammock. Definitely going to have to get some more of that. So, fixing to make some lunch, having some sandwiches. So yeah, just being able to sit here and enjoy nature and try to be quiet enough to hear the silence. You can't hear anything, so all you can hear is your own breath. Pretty cool. I love being amongst the trees. It's refreshing, especially when you live in the desert. Ethan's got a nice little fire going there. We moved the chairs over. Hey, baby.
Hi.
You can't be taking a picture of me. You're taking a picture of you.
This end was in the fire, and all the juices from it came all the way up into here, the exit. And now it's all
That is
foam and water out the bottom. Go get it.
Go get it. You're silly. You're silly. Where's Ethan? Where's Ethan?
Well, we upgraded the fire a little bit. We went around and found a bunch of sticks to put on it, those little ones, and then I found this big old, or Ethan found this big old log, and he drug it down, and so we threw it on the fire, and hopefully that thing will burn. We'll have several hours worth of fire. Fire's going crazy now. Doing well. Trying to burn that big log in half.
You'll see little driplets, and you think it's dripping
What's dripping?
I see it now.
wood.
Yeah, little wood particles.
Oh, like the sap?
No, like the wood's falling off the wood, and so it makes it look like it's dripping.
Oh, wow.
Here, just watch. Yeah. Oh, whoa! It did a bunch right there. Just watch like that, like he was saying, like the ash underneath the log, and you'll see them. Ooh,
Oh,
you
yeah, I
see?
saw it. Good,
That was a
yeah.
big one. That's cool.
Hey, baby.
What?
43 degrees.
Holy crap!
It's pretty chilly, huh? Well, Ethan, now you know why you're cold.
That and I've been up for 2 hours.
Yeah. Ethan woke up 2 hours before us, and we were zonkered.
Oh man, I wanted to end you last night. I totally faced it.
Yeah, but now you have a whole day of light.
Don't knock that
So
off.
the fire's pretty much out, but we're going to douse it with water so that we don't have any forest fires.
That's what we need.
We don't want to be responsible for anything like that. That's painful.
Watch your face. Okay, so living in the desert with dry grass and, well, lots of dry grass, you always want to put your campfires out. If you can't touch it and hold the ash in your hands, it's not out, guys. We just put about 8 gallons of water in there, and the rocks are really hot, but the ash I can actually hold and touch. Look, I can touch it.
And we've had a fire in the last 45 minutes.
Yeah, and we have a lot of fires here in southern Arizona because it's so dry. So help prevent forest fires. If you can't touch it, it's not out.
Bean decided to take up residency on Ethan's shoulder like he's a parrot or something. Hey, leaving the campsite, it's Sunday morning, 11:49 a.m., 64 degrees. Feels wonderful. Of course, we've been packing up and stuff, so that helps warm you up. Excellent campsite. We had a great time.
Yeah, it was fun.
Okay, heading back out of the National Monument now, back onto the main road. Leaving for the weekend. It's over. We had a good time. I really enjoyed having the fire. Last couple times we've gotten camping, we haven't been able to have a fire because of fire restrictions with the dry desert down here. So that was really a nice thing. Lacey, did you have fun?
I did. My favorite thing was the hammock.
Yeah, that was neat. Huh? I didn't get to use it as much as I wanted, but cool.
Nice.
And how about you, buddy? Did you have fun?
I did have fun.
Good.
My favorite part was waking up real early this morning before you guys and starting the fire.
Yeah? Cool.
Ooh, and the big owl we got to see in the
Oh
tree.
yeah, we
That
couldn't
was
really get any good
awesome.
video on the owl. It was way up in the tree. What would you say, probably 60 foot, 70
Yeah,
foot?
something like that.
So we could barely see it with
But
binoculars.
it was like 2 or 3 feet tall. It
Yeah.
was a big owl.
Then we had to watch Little Bean the rest of the time, make sure he didn't fly down and snap him up. So
He's a great appetizer for those birds of prey.
right, both the dogs are wore out. Good times. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.